Greetings from Somers Point, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is a brand new Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. Comes with a galvanized dual axle trailer. Here we are at the bow. The boat has bow filler cushions, storage underneath each seat, and an anchor locker up in the bow. It has the infinity woven flooring. The helm seat with the bolster that flips up. Nice little glove box here. Lockable. There's storage underneath of all these seats. This boat does have the flip-flop backrest, so you can watch your skier in tow or hang out and watch who's playing in the water. Storage area, I like to call this a trunk area. You have 2 batteries on this boat. It's equipped with a 150 Mercury outboard. Does have the sport tower, and the bimini top will open up. This way you get to see how much sun you get if it's all stowed away. It's a blue hull, you'll see in the photos. Great boat to go out in the bay and have some fun. Again, it's a 2025 Sea Ray 190 SPX Outboard. You can reach me regarding this boat or any other boat at MarineMax at www.marinemax.com or 609-926-0600. Thank you.